we have to learn the tangent secant segment theorem. स्पर्शिका खंड छेदिका प्रमेय हे सुद्धा प्रमेय वर्तुळ या प्रकरणामध्ये महत्त्वाचं प्रमेय आहे. tangent secant segment theorem. This theorem is point E is in the exterior of circle. A secant through E intersect the circle at point A and B, and a tangent through E touches the circle at point T. Then EA multiply EB is equal to ET square. पहा हे प्रमेय. वर्तुळाचा बाह्य बिंदू E आहे. बाह्य बिंदूतून एक स्पर्शिका ET वर्तुळाला T बिंदूत स्पर्श करते. म्हणजे सिगमेंट ET हा टँजेंट सिगमेंट आहे, स्पर्शिका खंड आहे. आणि एक सिकॅन्ट एक छेदिका बिंदू E मधून वर्तुळाला A आणि B बिंदू मध्ये छेदते, तेव्हा EA आणि EB हा भाग म्हणजे EA multiply EB is equal to ET square. Given of this theorem, in a circle with center O, secant AB and tangent ET drawn from external point E. To prove EA multiply EB is equal to ET square. Construction for proof. Draw segment AT and segment BT. आकृतीमध्ये रेख AT आणि BT काढलेला आहे. Proof of this theorem. In a triangle EAT and triangle ETB, या दोन त्रिकोणामध्ये in a triangle EAT and triangle ETB, angle AET is a congruent angle BET. Why? Both angles are common in a both triangle. Angle E in a triangle AET and angle E in triangle BET is a common angle. Therefore, angle AET is a congruent angle BET. And angle ETA is a congruent angle EBT. Tangent secant theorem. स्पर्शिका छेदिका प्रमेय. ही स्पर्शिका आहे आणि ही छेदिका आहे AT. स्पर्शिका आणि छेदिका यांनी तयार केलेल्या कोनाचे माप त्या छेदिकेच्या विरुद्ध कंसात अंतर्लिखित कोनाच्या मापा एवढे असते. Therefore, angle ETA is a congruent angle EBT by tangent segment theorem. Therefore, two angle of one triangle is a congruent to the corresponding two angle of other triangle. Such two triangles are similar by AA test. Therefore, triangle ETA similar triangle EBT AA similarity test. Therefore, when two triangles are similar, then their corresponding side are in same proportion. ET as EB is equal to AT as TB is equal to EA as AT. Take two ratio, ET as EB is equal to EA as AT. Cross multiplication here, ET multiply ET, then we get ET square is equal to EA multiply EB EA multiply EB is equal to ET square. Means it is a proof of this theorem. Remember some important point. Already you have to learn in last some lecture. First point, in figure AE multiply EB is equal to CE multiply ED. This property is known as theorem of chords intersecting inside the circle. आताच आपण हा theorem प्रूव्ह केलेला आहे. Chord AB and chord CD intersect internally or inside at point A. Therefore, AE multiply EB is equal to CE multiply DE. You remember this point. वर्तुळाच्या जेव्हा अंतर्भागात वर्तुळाच्या छेदतात तेव्हा छेदनबिंदूपाशी तयार होणाऱ्या त्या जीवांच्या रेषाखंडाचा गुणाकार समान असतो. AE multiply BE is equal to CE multiply ED. Second point you remember. In figure AE multiply EB is equal to CE multiply ED. This property is known as theorem of chords intersecting outside the circle. In this figure, chord AB and chord CD intersect outside of the circle at point E. Then, to form segment of chord due to intersection point, their product is equal. That is, EA multiply EB is equal to CE multiply ED. E पासून जर आपण सुरुवात केली तर EB multiply EA is equal to ED multiply EC. Okay. And third point, in figure AB is a secant and ET is a tangent. Tangent and secant and form tangent segment. In figure, EA multiply EB is equal to ET square. This property is known as tangent secant segment theorem.